Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, faculty member of BBA, Hazigunj Article College of Education. Dear student, I am course teacher of taxation in Bangladesh. Dear student, today I will discuss a sector, and this is income from agriculture, section 26. Dear student, last class we understood that income from house property, but today our topic is income from agriculture, section 26. Dear student, when we will prepare income from agriculture, then there are some rules. Today I will discuss that when we will prepare income from agriculture, then which item will become here, and I will also discuss which item deduct from for income from agriculture. Dear student, when we will prepare income from agriculture, then at first we will write items of income from agriculture, and then we will deduct some expense which are related agriculture, and it will be deduct from income from agriculture. Then we will finally get the result of net income from agriculture. Dear student, when we will prepare income from agriculture, then at first we will write income. There are some income in the sector of agriculture. These are, at first, sale of crops, income from building which is used for agriculture, income from agricultural land investment for cash, income from borewell cultivate, income from tea garden 60%, income from rubber garden 60%, income from sugar industries, market value of sugar cane, income from tobacco industries, market value of tobacco leaves, income from sale of fish, income from poultry farm, less exempted food, and last other agriculture income. These are income from agriculture. Dear student, I want to again reply. At first, sale of crops, then income from building which is used for agriculture, income from agriculture land investment for cash, income from borewell cultivate, income from tea garden 60%, income from rubber garden 60%. Dear student, given in the question that, or given in the sheet, that income from tea garden and income from rubber garden 60%. That means total income 60% will be come income from agriculture, and less 40% not will become here. Let's suppose tea garden given in the question 10,000. 10,000, if we will calculate 60% of 10,000, then the answer will be 6,000. So we will write here 6,000 because 60% will come here. Same as income from rubber garden. Suppose given in the question rubber garden income there are 50,000. but we will Right here 60% of 50,000, that means 30,000 we will write. অর্থাৎ income from tea garden and income from rubber gardens 60% will come of the amount. Then income from sugar industries, income from tobacco industries, income from sale of fish, income from poultry farm. But in case of income from poultry farm, total money will be exempted. Exempted means অকরধার্য। অর্থাৎ আমি একটু যদি বাংলা বুঝিয়ে বলি, পোলট্রি ফার্মের ক্ষেত্রে যদি কোনো আয় হয় তার উপর কোনো কর ধরা হবে না। টোটাল যে আয়টা হবে সবটি হবে অকরধার্য। That is called exempted. Other agriculture income. These are income of agriculture. We will summation total income of agriculture and we will deduct some expenses which are related agriculture. Suppose expenses of agriculture are land development tax or land development rent, any local tax or any local rent, production cost. Dear student, about production cost there are theory. When if given in the question production cost are given, then we will must write production cost may be cultivating expense, transportation expense, normal processing expense, maintenance cost of agricultural machineries and rising livestock. But if not given in the question separately agricultural expense, then we will deduct agricultural expense 60% total income. This is formula. But if given in the question different expense in case of agriculture, so that time we will write separate system. But if not given in the question expense of agriculture, then we will deduct 60% of admissible expense total income from agriculture. That is the rules. Dear student, suppose there are some items which are related income from agriculture, these are expense. That means agriculture related expense are land development tax or rent, any local tax and rent, normal insurance premium, irrigation project maintenance cost, depreciation, interest on mortgage loan, interest on borrowed capital, loss on sale of agricultural machinery, loss on agricultural machinery wastage, other revenue expense. Then we will summation total expense in case of agriculture. Finally, we will find out actual or net income from agriculture. How to? We know that at first we will write income side, then we will write expense side, and when we will deduct expense from total income of agriculture, then finally we will get total income from agriculture. Dear student, I will give you total formula or how you will calculate income from agriculture. Then if you see my lecture or if you see my lecture sheet, inshallah I hope you will totally understand the lecture. Dear student, no more today. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.